to full bath, 2 bedrooms,
Man,
and
Salem
loft.
Hemisphere. It's got 2 bedrooms and an upstairs loft with 2 bunk beds, 2 full baths. Here's your second bedroom. Look at that. This is your second bathroom. Entrance right from the outside. Easy access. All that storage. Oh my gosh, this thing is so nice. Nice and wide open. Whole nother bathroom up front. Whole nother bedroom right up front. And washer and dryer prep. Look at that. Very nice. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, washer and dryer prep. It's got everything you need. This thing is sharp. Down here at the factory doing some tours, showing you guys the new releases. Thank you guys so much for watching.